Now whether friction is necessary for us or it is not necessary for us.
So it is necessary.
Why it is necessary? Ronak,
Yes, sir.
tell me now.
Sir, because sir, if friction is not there, sir, any moving object will not stop. Never.
Okay, any moving object will not stop. Suppose you are sitting on the ground, Nana. No frictional force is there. That means no opposing force is there. You are in a state of rest. Whether you will be in a state of rest or motion.
The rest.
Rest only. But moving object only can't be stopped if frictional force is not there. Suppose if you step for one time on the ground or on the road, if no frictional force, that means the force which is opposing your motion not there, then what happens? If you step for one time, you keep on going on, you keep on going on like that. You never will be stopped, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Tell, tell me, Nana, tell me.
Sir, friction can sometimes help also in the motion.
Friction will help sometimes, but always it opposes, Nana. So in special conditions only, so we will learn about that also. But always what happens, Nana, it opposes the motion of an object. So that's why only if you step for one time, if frictional force is not there, you keep on moving like that. And if suppose you are pouring water on the road, always that water goes on moving only. It will not stop. So that's why it is necessary for us, Nana. And even for writing also, as nib of the pen is touching that particular paper, if frictional force is not there, that whatever ink is there in that, it goes on leaking like that. So because of friction only, we are able to write, and because of friction only, we are able to walk. Because of friction only, we can light a matchbox. So many things are there which are helpful in our daily life. And if friction is not there, we can't imagine our life, Nana, which is there on this particular earth. Now on the earth, frictional forces are there or not?
Yes.
It is.
Yes, Nana. So on the ground, frictional force is there. Even by the fluids also, frictional force will be there, Nana. Air also offers some resistance. Liquids also offer some resistance. And that is also known as fluid friction, Nana. That is a separate part of this particular friction. But here we are going to learn about this particular solid substances only, and later you are going to learn about fluid friction also, Nana.